Hello, everybody. We are going to talk about annulments, and children, right? So we have a question that many people have been asking us lately, and it's basically, can you get an annulment when you have kids? So hello, everybody. My name is Daniel WIAFE, and I'm here with
Tyrus Cowling.
And we are part of Vegas Divorce Pros. And as our disclaimer that we do on every single video, we are not attorneys. We cannot give you legal advice. If you do need an attorney, please make sure that you
let us know.
And we will
send you right to them.
Boom. That's the lady with the answers. So we are registered document preparers. I am, at least. And what we would like to do is give you access to a free 15-minute phone consultation. You can go ahead and call or text this number that's right there. There you go. It's VegasDivorcePros.com, VegasDivorcePros.com, and one of us will make sure that we get you some good old-fashioned annulment or divorce advice, all right? But let's go ahead and get to the meat of this video. The question is,
can I get annulled if I have children?
All right. So Tara, tell us a little bit about some of the questions people have been asking you in regards to that lately.
So I get people that ask me, we've been married for 3 years. It's not working out, obviously. We have a 2-year-old together. Can we still get annulled? The answer is no.
And I'm going to one-up your no by saying, technically, you can get an annulment if, all right, if the grounds call for that, okay? So the thing behind it, you guys, and again, this isn't legal advice. This is just our observation on what has happened with past clients, right. All right, is that in the NRS, you guys, there's no statute that says or states that if you have kids that you can't get your marriage annulled, okay? Right. But many judges who we try to put annulments for
right.
with our clients who do have kids.
And that's what I'm basing it off of. I've seen it in the future, or in the past, that it does not go through. Because of the children.
And people are crying and all that.
Yeah.
So basically with a divorce out here in the great state of Nevada, you guys, you can pretty much get a divorce for anything just because you don't like the fact that your husband is bald. You don't like the fact that your wife got a septum ring in her nose. You don't like anything. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it.
You're right. Us bull rings are awesome.
So anyways, but basically what we do with divorces, you guys, is there's 3 main grounds for divorce. The main prime one that most people use is incompatibility. The other one has been you have been separated and living apart for a year or longer. And then the third one is something that they don't really use too much. Is insanity. Okay. Ooh, some of you insane people are like, baby's mamas are insane.
Insane when I got married.
Uh-oh. Some of you guys are the same boat as she was.
I'm just joking. No, I'm not.
Yeah, no, she's not. She never jokes, okay? But the fact of the matter is, you guys, with a divorce, you can pretty much get divorced for anything. There's no really grounds or anything that you have to prove, okay? Now, with an annulment, that's not the case, all right? And so with an annulment, you guys, there's certain grounds you have to submit to. You have to, your case has to fall underneath that, okay? And so the grounds, I'm not going to go through all the grounds, but the grounds are either going to be your marriage was void from the start, so it never should have been, or your marriage is voidable, meaning that because certain criteria existed within your marriage or before your marriage, that your marriage can now become void, okay? So some of the things which fall underneath the voidable is, the void category would be if you marry your cousin or brother.
You can get an annulment then.
Or sister.
You can get an annulment then.
Yeah. Or if you're under the age of 18.
Right.
I have an 11-year-old and you have an 11-year-old too.
I do.
We both have 11-year-olds.
I don't want my 11-year-old to get married anytime soon.
I don't either.
I want him to stay 11 forever.
I don't. I want him to turn 18 quickly so that he can move out sorry. Hope my wife isn't watching this video. But anyways, love you. But if you're underage and you get married, then that is a void marriage. Okay. Now, things which are voidable will be things which fall underneath the category of fraud, or things which fall underneath the category of wants of understanding, which is under the influence. You know, you're smoking a little bit too much,
drinking a little too much,
drinking a little bit too much. You know,
Britney Spears it.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry.
Oops, she did it again. But anyways, guys, those are some of the grounds that your annulment is going to fall under, okay? And we can help you and talk to you with that. Make sure you, again, go to this link, all right? Or just message us on Facebook, YouTube, whatever, okay? Now, if you have kids, okay, with your spouse, all right, that's kind of tricky, okay? Because technically, I mean, if you think about it, if you had kids with a person beforehand, the likelihood of it being fraudulent, or you saying to the judge, oh, hey, I was drunk and I didn't know what I was doing marrying this guy, or I didn't know that this woman had 10 felonies and she was a mass murderer, killer person.
She went bankrupt 7 times.
She went bankrupt 7 times and I'm the 8th guy, you know? That doesn't sound really believable, does it? Okay. And so that is why technically we're like, when people come to us and they have kids and they want to get an annulment. Okay. So the fact of the matter is, you guys, if you do have kids, you know, if I was in your shoes, if Tara was in your shoes, we're probably not going to go the annulment route. We're probably going to go the
divorce route.
Okay. So,
and it's quicker.
It's quicker. It is, you know?
It is.
That's what she said. So basically, you guys, hope you got a lot of information from this video. Make sure that you get at us, VegasDivorcePros.com.
And you get to talk to me.
Sadly, but
I'm awesome.
She is awesome. She actually is awesome.
I'm awesome.
She is actually awesome. So Tara is an awesome lady to talk to, and you're probably going to talk to her anyway. So text Tara at this website, and the phone number is not actually there. It's going to be our website. You're going to go to our website right now. Do it now. And then you're going to be able to call us or text us and just let us know, hey, I saw the YouTube video or I saw the Facebook video, and we'll get at you. Okay. So again, Daniel WIAFE and Miss Tara Takali. Takali.
It's a New York thing.
Oh, okay. So
no Cali for this girl. New York.
Surprisingly, you've been living in Nevada for what? 12 years or
13
years, and you've never been to California.
I haven't. I work a lot.
Anyways, go to this website, you guys. Peace and God bless. We'll see y'all later.
Have a good night.